In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Go High Level for dentists. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a dedicated dental sub-account inside Go High Level so you can manage your practice's leads, appointments, and marketing in one organized place. Let's start from your main Go High Level dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts. This is where you manage separate workspaces for different clients or businesses. Go ahead and click on Sub-Accounts. Think of this area as your master list of all the practices or locations you work with. On the Sub-Accounts page, you'll see a button that says Create Sub-Account. Click on that. This tells Go High Level that you're setting up a brand new workspace for a specific dental clinic or dentist. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template or type of business. In the search or category field, type in the word dental. This helps Go High Level pull up industry-appropriate options that are better suited for dental practices, such as the right fields and structure for patient-focused marketing. Once you see the appropriate dental option appear, click on Select and Continue. This confirms that you want to base this new sub-account on the dental setup. Taking a moment here to double-check that you selected the dental category is important, because it will influence how the account is organized. Now you'll be asked how you want to add the new account. Choose the option that says Add Manually and click on it. Adding manually gives you full control over the details, which is ideal when you're setting up a real practice with specific information. At this point, you'll see a form where you need to fill in all the details. Enter the practice name, address, website, and any other requested information, making sure everything is accurate and up to date. This information will feed into things like appointment reminders, emails, and texts. So consistency is key. Take your time to review the spelling of the clinic name and contact details before moving on. Once everything looks correct, look for the button labeled Add Sub-Account and click on it. Go High Level will now create your new dental sub-account based on the information you've provided. After it's created, you can jump into that sub-account